Welcome to you all. Today I will discuss the first chapter of organic chemistry in 12th class, that is haloalkane and a haloarine. So what is that? Haloalkane means this alkane, haloalkane, derived from the parent hydrocarbon alkane by replacing one H atom by halogen atom. So here I have written alkane, that is RH. What is R? R is the alkyl group. So when one H atom is removed from alkane by halogen atom, we will get haloalkane. The formula is Rx, where R is the alkyl group. Similarly, in aromatic hydrocarbon, it is otherwise known as a arene. So H atom is removed from arene by halogen atom, we will get haloarine. Benzene is the parent compound of arene or aromatic hydrocarbon. Here one H atom of any corner of the ring can be replaced by halogen atom, we will get halobenzene. Okay, before discussing this chapter, I will introduce some fundamentals, some basic concept regarding the haloalkane, that is halogenated hydrocarbons. What is that? Now, halogenated hydrocarbons are the compounds which are derived by replacing H atom of hydrocarbon by halogen atom. No, students must know that hydrocarbon is the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. So there are so many types of hydrocarbons are there on the basis of, these are classified on the basis of their carbon chain. So let us discuss the three types of hydrocarbons on the basis of carbon chain, that is aliphatic hydrocarbons and alicyclic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbon is nothing but the open chain hydrocarbon. The terminal carbon atoms are not joined. And third one is closed chain hydrocarbons. The terminal carbon atoms are joined to form a ring. So in alicyclic hydrocarbons, carbon atoms joined to form a ring. It may contain one double bond or triple bond, that is not matter. So next come to aromatic hydrocarbons. These are the most important hydrocarbons, that is hydrocarbons which satisfy Hockel's rule, that is 4n+2 rule. Let us leave that. Next come to the aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is again three types on the basis of carbon-carbon linkage, that is alkane which contains carbon-carbon single bond, then alkene which contains only one carbon-carbon double bond, and in alkyne that is a one carbon-carbon triple bond. So corresponding halo compounds, halogen derivatives are also derived from these hydrocarbons. First, for example, haloalkane. What is that? A haloalkane is the hydrocarbon which is the compounds which is derived by replacing one H atom by halogen atom. So that is why I write alkane minus H plus X, that is haloalkane. For example, methane is the simplest member, CH4. You see, methane, CH4, one hydrogen atom is removed by one chlorine atom, we will get CH3Cl methyl chloride. Okay, there is the one of the example of haloalkane. Next come to haloalkene. Haloalkene is derived by removing one H atom by one halogen atom, that is haloalkene. For example, you see here the first member of alkene is ethene. Here one hydrogen atom is removed by one chlorine atom. We will get CH2 double bond CHCl. Chloroethene, its name is chloroethene. Similarly, that of haloalkyne is the halogen derivative of alkyne. The simplest member, the first member of haloalkyne, that is, I write here, CH triple bond CCl, chloroethane. Okay, student, that is the three type of halogen derivative derived from the aliphatic hydrocarbon. Next come to discuss the halogen derivative of alicyclic hydrocarbon. The corresponding halogen derivatives are halocycloalkane, halocycloalkene and halocycloalkyne. So these three type of alicyclic hydrocarbons are there: cycloalkane, cycloalkene and cycloalkyne. For example, you see this is cyclohexane and a chlorine is attached to the cyclohexane, then it is called chlorocyclohexane. and this compound is chlorocyclohexene, and this is chlorocyclohexane. Okay, next hydrocarbon is aromatic hydrocarbon or arene. So the parent compound of aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. So benzene, one H atom is removed from the benzene by chlorine, so you will get chlorobenzene. Next compound, suppose in aromatic series, that is toluene. Here the compound is toluene. Here hydrogen atom suppose removed from the aromatic nucleus, from this position or from this position or from this position. So here we will get the compound 2-chlorotoluene by orthochlorotoluene, O-chlorotoluene. 1-2 position is ortho position. Next 1-3 position is meta position, so it is named as a mem-chlorotoluene, meta-chlorotoluene. Next is 1-4 position is para position, so it is called p-chlorotoluene. Okay, so these are the halogen derivative of different hydrocarbons. Next we will discuss the classification of hydrocarbons on the basis of nature of hybridization of the carbon chain, or suppose first we will discuss the classification of halogen derivative on the basis of number of halogen atoms. So on the basis of number of halogen atoms, if one halogen atom is present, then it is called monohalide, or it is monohalogen derivative. One example you see, that is CH3, CH2, Cl or Br, that is bromoethane. Another example is CH2 double bond CHI, iodoethene or vinyl iodide. Next, when two halogen atoms are present, then it is called dihalides. So dihalides, two halogen atoms may be attached to the same carbon atom or may be attached to the adjacent carbon atom. So next is dihalide or dihalogen derivative. So dihalogen derivative means what? The two halogen atoms are attached. Here you see two chlorine atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. Here you see another example. Two chlorine atoms are attached to the different carbon atoms. So the first compound is geminal, second is vicinal. So dihalides are of two types. One is geminal dihalide, second is vicinal dihalide. So here is geminal dihalide. Two halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. So its common name is ethyledene dichloride, or EPAG name is 1,1-dichloroethane. Next is vicinal dihalide. So vicinal dihalide, two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms. Here 1-2 carbon atoms. So its name is ethylene dichloride, or in EPAG name it is named as 1,2-dichloroethane. Next is trihalide or trihalogen derivative. So 3 halogen atoms replaces 3 hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon. For example, you see CHCl3, methane CH4, 4 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 chlorine atom. We will get a CHCl3 or chloroform. Similarly, CHI3, that is iodoform. Next one is tetrahalide or tetrahalogen derivative. In methane, 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 4 chlorine atoms. So we will get CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Otherwise, it is also known as pyrene. Okay, these are the classification of halogen derivatives. Next, again, alkyl halide again classified on the basis of the number of, on the basis of the carbon atom, nature of carbon atom. There are actually 4 types of carbon atom. You see the carbon skeleton formula here. The primary carbon atom, that carbon atom to which only one carbon atom is attached. This is the 1 degree carbon atom or primary carbon. To this carbon only this carbon is attached. And here is also primary carbon atom, here is primary carbon, here is primary carbon, here is primary carbon atom. Next one is secondary carbon atom, that carbon atom to which 2 other carbon atoms are attached. You see, this is the carbon atom 2 degree. So to this carbon 2 carbon atoms are attached. Next, 3 degree carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom. You see, this is the tertiary carbon atom. Because this carbon atom is attached with 3 other carbon atoms, and this is 4 degree carbon atoms, quaternary carbon atoms. So on this basis of type of carbon atoms, again alkyl halide divided into 3 types: primary alkyl halide or 1 degree alkyl halide, then secondary alkyl halide, then tertiary alkyl halide. First we discuss the primary alkyl halide. So primary alkyl halide means halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom, 1 degree carbon atom. RCH2X is the general formula of a primary alkyl halide, and its functional group or characteristic group is CH2X. Example, CH3, CH2, Cl. That means primary alkyl halide can be identified by this group, CH2X or CH2Cl. If halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom to which 2 hydrogen atoms are present, then it is primary alkyl halide. Next one is secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide means halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atoms. Okay, see. The general formula of secondary alkyl halide is RCHXR. R is the alkyl group, so this is the secondary carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. So its characteristic group is CHX. Example, CH3, CH3, CHCl. Its name is isopropyl chloride. In UPAC name, it is named as 1, 2, 3. At the position 2, chlorine atom is attached, so it is named as 2-chloropropane. Next, come to the tertiary alkyl halide. So its general formula is RCRRX. That means that halogen atom is attached to the 3 degree carbon atom, and its characteristic group is this. This is the characteristic group, and the example is, say, CH3, C, CH3, CH3 and Cl. This is the example of tertiary alkyl halide, and its common name is tert butyl chloride, and its UPAC name is, you see, the first you select the longest chain and the numbering, then it will be this is, suppose this is the longest chain, at the position 2 chlorine atom is attached and the methyl group is attached, so it is named as 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. As the longest chain contains 3 carbon atoms, so it is propane. So this is all about the types of alkyl halide on the basis of nature of carbon atom, primary, secondary and tertiary. Next we come to the again another classification, that is types of halogen derivative on the basis of hybridization of carbon. As you know, hybridization carbon atom undergoes actually 3 types of hybridization. One is sp3, another is sp2, another is sp hybridization. Here we will discuss the types of halide halogen derivative on the basis of hybridization. It is actually divided into 2 types. It is of 2 types. One is compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bond. Here halogen atoms is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Again it is of 3 types. One is it is of 3 types. Number 1 is alkyl halide. Number 2 is allylic halide. And number 3 is benzylic halide. Student, I will discuss about the types of alkyl halide or halogen derivative on the basis of hybridization. Carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. So this type of classification, that is compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bond. Halogen atom is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized. So there are 3 classes of compound in which carbon atom may undergo sp3 hybridized. One is alkyl halide. Here carbon atom also sp3 hybridized and halogen atom is attached to it. Second is allylic halide. Third is benzylic halide. First we discuss alkyl halide. Here is the example of alkyl halide. So CH3, CH, Cl, C. This carbon is sp3 hybridized and to which chlorine atom is attached. So this is alkyl halide. Next is allylic halide. What is allylic halide? Now halogen atom is attached to the allylic carbon. Halogen atom is attached to the allylic carbon. What is that carbon atom? Now allylic carbon means that is the carbon atom next to double bond. For example, we see CH2 double bond CH and CH2 Cl. So here 2 double bonded carbon atoms. The next carbon atom, this carbon atom is a allylic carbon. This is a allylic carbon. So to which chlorine atom is attached. So this is an example of allylic halide and its name is allyl halide. Common name is allyl chloride. Next, benzylic halide. Benzylic halide means halogen atom is attached to the benzylic carbon. Halogen atom is attached to the benzylic carbon. What is benzylic carbon? Now the carbon atom next to benzene ring. This is the benzene ring and the carbon atom to which this carbon atom that attached to the benzene ring is known as benzylic carbon. Here chlorine atom is attached. So this carbon is benzylic carbon. and its name is benzyl chloride. So these are the three types of compounds where halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next we come to the another compounds in which halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this is the compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond. So here see second one is compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond. It is two types. Number one is vinylic halide. Vinyl carbon, what is that carbon? Now the carbon atom which is attached to the double bond. So example is CH2 double bond CHCl. Double bonded carbon atom is vinyl carbon which is sp2 hybridized. So this carbon atom, you see this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Here halogen atom is attached. This is also vinyl carbon. It is also sp2 hybridized. And the compound name is vinyl chloride. Okay, second one is aryl halide. For example, you see this is the benzene ring. Each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. All the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Here halogen atom or chlorine is attached. And that chlorine is attached to the sp2 carbon atom. So aryl halide name is chlorobenzene. So these three types of halogen derivative, one is alkyl halide, it is again three types, that is primary, secondary, tertiary. Then one is allylic halide. Allylic halide, halogen atom is attached to the allylic carbon. Again it is also three types. It may be primary allyl halide or secondary allyl halide or tertiary allyl halide. So allylic halide of three types. So this compound, you see, this compound contains CH2Cl. So it is 1 degree allylic halide. So 1 degree allylic halide, this is example. It is 1 degree allyl halide. Then 2 degree allyl halide. This compound is 2 degree allyl halide. So how will you determine? Because it contains this group. This group is CHCl, CHX. So it is 2 degree alkyl halide. Next one is 3 degree. This is 3 degree allyl halide. So here halogen atom is attached to the 3 degree carbon atom, and this is also allylic carbon. So the compound contains CCl group. So allylic halide three types, primary, secondary, tertiary. Similarly, benzylic halide is also three types. For example, benzylic halides three types. Number one, this is 1 degree benzylic halide. This is 2 degree benzyl halide. And this is 3 degree benzyl halide. You see, how can you identify this compound? It contains CH2Cl, 1 degree. Here it is CHCl, 2 degree. Here it is CCl, that is 3 degree. So these are the broad classification of halogen derivatives. Student, comes to the topic alkyl halides. Its general formula is Rx or CnH2n plus 1 X. Why it is CnH2n plus 1? Now the statement, the formula is alkane, that is CnH2n plus 2, and one H atom is removed by halogen atom, that is why this formula is this. Okay, you have to remember all these members, first few members of the alkyl halide completely, so that you can perfectly do their reactions and it can be easily remembered. So the first member is CH3Cl, and CH3 that you know is a methyl group, so in common name it is named as methyl chloride. And in UPAC name, the name of alkyl halide is haloalkane, that is why it is CH3Cl, so it is chloromethane. Chloro is the prefix and methane, that is the parent word group. So next member is obtained by adding CH2 group to this compound. So CH3 is here CH2 is added, so next compound is CH3CH2Cl, and this group is ethyl group. This group is ethyl group, that is why it is written ethyl chloride, and in the UPAC name here 2 carbon atoms are there, so the parent compound is ethane, that is why it is named as chloroethane. Next compound is CH2 group again added to previous member, it will be CH3CH2CH2. Here 3 carbon atoms, that is propyl group. Propyls are of 2 types that you know, one is N-propyl, another is isopropyl. Here the propyl group is in a straight chain without branching, that is why the prefix N is used. N means normal, means straight chain, so it is named as N-propyl chloride. In UPAC name it is numbered as 1, 2, 3, that is chloropropane, or you can write 1 chloropropane, generally 1 is not written, so if practicing chloropropane. Next is CH3CH3. This group is isopropyl group and is named as isopropyl chloride. And in UPAC name, the longest carbon chain you select, that is starting from this carbon 1, 2, 3 or 2 chloropropane. Next compound, 4 carbon atoms are there, and a chlorine atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom. Here is 2 degree carbon atom, that is why the prefix sec is used. So 4 carbon atoms, that is butyl group, so it is named as sec butyl chloride. And in UPAC name, numbering start from this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 2% chlorine atom is attached, that is why it is named as 2-chlorobutane. Next compound is, how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So in 4 carbon atom, chlorine atom is attached to the 3 degree carbon atom here. That is why the prefix tot is used, tertiary tot, and the 4 carbon atoms, that is why butyl, so named as tertiary butyl chloride. In UPAC name, the longest chain you can select this or this, anyway it will be 1, 2, 3. At the position 2 chlorine atom and methyl group is attached, that is why it is 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. So these are the primary compounds, you have to remember this.